What's up? Good morning. And today we're gonna have a quick bike check on one of my friend's steeds. It's a Megatower, Santa Cruz, by the way. Santa fucking Cruz. So he used to own an Enduro, a specialized Enduro, but previously he used to own the Bubble Gum, Santa Cruz Bubble Gum. But I guess he's a Santa Cruz at heart, so we went back to Santa Cruz. Today we are at the Railway Mall, somewhere in Putima, and that is his bike. So we have a very quick one. All my bike checks are quick, but do subscribe if you want to, and tune in for more. And hope to give you more bike checks on a regular basis. Alright, what have we got here? A fucking Megatower. So, all black, all slick, all sexy and all. What's up, Eric F&P? Bike check day. Megatower 2020. Megatower 2020. Sexy beast. Just very befitting. Rolls like a tank. Like a train. Okay, so this belongs to a friend of mine, and today we're just gonna have a quick look through on his Megatower. Size large, this one. Let's just go from anywhere, shall we? Let's pick up the parts. Wow, ODI grips, new ones. His previous ones are shit. And after which this one is the XO1s. XO1s over here. He's a big fella, so MT7s are the ones that will stop him, he was saying. These were the great, what do you call that? Stamps. I can't remember the brand for this one. I'll have to dig it up. Envy, yo, Envy 31.8s. And after which with a, I think a regular Fox dropper post, this one. Yeah. But check it out, still, there will always be a Chris King. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Gamut. Oops. So this is the Lyric Ultimate, the Ultimate, just like him, the Ultimate. And then we're talking about carbon fiber rims here. I think they are the race face ones. And then after which, later again with Chris King. Yeah, Chris King. 203s in front and at the back as well. One of the best mudguards ever made with regards to design. Bristle. Supercast. No one can say no to Supercast as well. XO1s. And these would be the brand dogs, the MRs. XO1s rear as well. XO1 cassette. XO1 chain. Super Deluxe Fox transfer with a WTV Volt. I got this for him, son of a bitch. It's cheaper in Indonesia for some reason, don't know why. He's not really a fan of Maxxis, but on this bike, he used to own a Specialized Enduro. So previously that one was a Hunt Dump as well as Magic Marys. But I think he decided to go the Maxxis route. Maxxis front and back, front at the back, DHR at the back. Front, DHF in the front, DHR at the back. So there you go. MT7s. It's quite slick actually, don't you think? It's very nice, it's very subtle. Very, very subtle bike. So yeah, that's it. Full black. He's black as well, as in black face all the time. Yep, so that's the very simple bike check that we got on today. Quick one. Megatower 2019. Full black. You.